Some good news about PPE. When this crisis began, we told you that we're going to do everything that we could to ensure that those on the front lines of this crisis have the personal protective equipment, the PPE that they need. I'm happy to report today that last week we were able to ship 4.1 million pieces of PPE to local EMAs across the state of Ohio. While not the first shipment, this is the largest one-time distribution of PPE, we think, in the history of Ohio. The PPE is being distributed locally by county EMAs, and they're in turn taking it out to nursing homes, jails, congregate living facilities, hospitals, and to first responders. The shipment included 500,000 N95 masks, 850,000 face shields, 750,000 surgical-type masks, and 2 million non-medical gloves. So we're very happy about that, and there is more coming. It certainly wasn't easy. As you know, we are competing in a very volatile and different marketplace with other states and other countries for this critical equipment. Because of the coordinated effort among the Department of Administrative Services, Jobs Ohio, Department of Health, and Ohio EMA, we were able to secure this PPE and then send it out to our local communities. We will continue to distribute PPE to the local EMAs when we get it in. We're working on this every single day. You've heard me say this before, but this virus, unfortunately, is going to be with us for a while. And we need to make sure that we have the PPE that is necessary to protect our first responders, our medical folks who are out there who are dealing with this problem every day. Our fundamental strategy remains the same. If we can find this PPE in the marketplace, we're going to buy it. And if we can't buy it, we're going to see if it can be made in Ohio. And we're having some good success with Ohio companies who are making the PPE, and we want to thank them. This really, their response has really strengthened our ability to protect our protectors. And so I want to thank all the companies that are making the PPE in the state of Ohio. We're going to use technology and innovation to identify ways to make the supplies that we have last. As we have talked about before, Battelle here in Central Ohio is doing this right now, sterilizing masks for our healthcare workers. What this means is a mask then can be used up to 20 times. So that is really stretching the use of these masks. As we move into this reopening process, as we try to get Ohio businesses back moving forward, we must make sure that we have strong supply chains of PPE so we can continue to fight this virus as we move forward. We look forward to sharing more information on our PPE efforts in the days ahead.